figured I'd give you a better look at it. I already got the tank out. I cleaned out the back fuel pump. There's that plate that goes over that. So yeah, it's not that great to work on. Could take that bar off. I've never done that before. Anyways, case, 6-speed transmission, Chinese carburetor. New starter that clicks. Chainsaw. Should probably take that out of there. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, cleaned it all a little bit. Damn spiders. Look at that fancy 660/12 valve. Cummins. No. Oh. Washer jug. It doesn't have no wipers. I took them off. Well, that pulls out. Never tried. Oh yeah. Pull out. Wait, am I pulling the whole thing out? Pull out ain't working. Turn this over. What's that wire? Someone put a wire there. So I'm back on this mini truck, and we're going to try and start it here. But I had the tank. It was, well, it's there now. For some reason, the mounts got moved when someone ran over a stump, and the tank has to be tilted that way apparently, and those mounts ain't gonna cut it. So I cleaned out all that rust out of there. Oh yeah, don't worry about that. That's how it goes. That's factory. We'll try to start it up in a minute here. So yeah, we'll try and start it. Got it outside. Move this shit out the way. Pushed out anyways. I'm gonna try and start it here. And hold on a second, I gotta move some stuff. The seats. Oh yeah, camera. Come on. Extra wire. What's that? Alright. Okay, this fancy fuel pump rigging should work, and that strap should be fine. See, it's got comes with a locking gas cap and shit. Alright. Oh. What? You heard that now. Oh yeah. What the hell? How can I fall down camera? Oh click away. What the hell? Come on. Usually starts better than that. Let's see. We'll do this maybe. Oh! Oh, gas is coming out on that. Been 2 years. Come on, you look good. Oh, yeah. Run. Oh, shaky. Stay running. Don't do that now, damn it. Shit ball. That carburetor is brand new from China. Pumps clacking. Oh yeah, and it's got these turn signals right up here too, so you can tell, you know, extra safety. Alright, I'm gonna adjust it a little bit since it decided to quit, and we'll go from there and maybe take it for a ride. Don't worry about that. It's running. Oh. It had some dust in it. I had to get that out of there. So I got it running good and stuff. And I was going to take it for a ride. But someone stopped me from doing that. So the reason why is those are 2007 tags on there, and I never tagged it before, and they never said nothing before, but they're saying it now. You know who. Alright, so I'll probably drive it around the yard or something, do a video on that, but thanks for watching, and that's it for the Will It Run mini truck, because it runs now.